Thokozani, sanibonani, dumelang kaofela luna. Nikhuluma nomkhulu Langabi, nikhuluma nomama uNkosazana, nikhuluma nomthunzi wezwe. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about demystifying all spiritual beliefs about iJAZI ELIMNYAMA, the black garment. In general, it's most commonly known as iJAZI lamajaji. Elama kulona lamajaji. And then there's also a negative connotation that it's for witchcraft. Elam akulona le witchcraft. Ngizokutshela ngelam. I'm going to talk about mine. Mine, it's for final arbiter. It's for decision makers. I'm a decision maker when it comes to spiritual matters, all of them. It's for rain making. We decide when the rain must come, and we decide when the rain must not come. Remember, in the olden days, kwakukhona abantu ababekhethiwe, not everybody, ababekhethiwe ukuthi bahambe bayocela imvula. Kwakukhona abantu ababefighter ama-spirits amabi ahlasela abantu emhlabeni. Like I said from the beginning, a person is a spirit. As you are a spiritual being, umuntu uyakwazi ukutshontsha umoya wakho omuhle awusebenzise wena usaluhlupheka. So because of that, ngaphiwa amandla, represented by iJAZI ELIMNYAMA. Yes, iJAZI ELIMNYAMA kulona elenza umsebenzi. Kodwa this is just a presentation of who I am. I make decisions. Ama decisions are serious. Ngiyawubuyisa umoya womuntu omuhle otshontshiwe. Otshontshelwe umuntu ukuthi omunye umuntu asale hlupheka, omunye aphile impilo yomunye. And many a times it happens in the family. No one can steal into zakho ezinhle except someone that knows you better, somebody that knows you, especially a family person. Mine is for fighting dark entities. Serious, I am amancane. That is why mawuza kimi, if it's your first time to consult or your second or third, I know you're not for me. I know you're not mine. Mine fights more serious things, as we are final arbiters, as we are decision makers. Mine fights back to sender, serious matters, and we decide who is supposed to get that back to sender. If umuntu ebefuna ushone kuzoshona yena, if umuntu befuna kuhlanye wena kuyohlanya yena. Those are serious matters. Angeke kuhlanye phela kuhlanyiswa ngomunye umuntu. Angeke kwenzeke lokho. Lisebenza kuphi? Lisebenza kakhulu entabeni. Lisebenza ukuklina izinto ezimbi. Bese imvula iyaqala iyanetha. Kufanele kuklinwe amathambo abantu, kuklinwe zonke izibi emhlabeni. Ziningi izimo ezenza ukuthi imvula inganethi. Izimo ezinjengokuthi abanye abantu babulala abanye. Awumbulali umuntu ongeke umudla, unless umudla ke yes ungabulala because ufuna isishebo. But mangabe ungeke umudle umuntu awumbulali. Siyawabona ama videos that are trending for people that are killing other people. Siyawubuyisela ke thina mangabe ubulele umuntu ungezi umudla, ube nebhadi loyo muntu eze kimi. Ngizothatha lo moya uyobuyela kini, ushaye first generation, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Kuyoze kuphumule maybe i6th and 7th generation. Uthola ukuthi manje uye wabulala umuntu, ingane zakho ziyasala ziyahlupheka, ingane zengane zakho. Because if you do all the witchcraft on earth, the killings of people, especially killing of people, lala kakhulu ke uthi ubulale abantu, lilwisa abantu ababulala abantu, usuke ubulele the whole family, usuka ubulele all the gifts in the family. That is why khona abantu abathi, hey mkhulu isithunywa sami siyala ukuphakama, ekhaya kugcwele inyawope, ekhaya sishadi, ekhaya kwenzeke ukuthi nokuthi, kusuka kwenzeke ukuthi kukhona umuntu wakini oke wabulala umuntu, oke watshontsha isipho somunye umuntu wasenze sakhe, omunye umuntu wahlupheka waze wahamba emhlabeni ehlupheka, kanti loyo muntu udalelwe into eyinkulu. If you happen to steal someone's gift and that person has got a beautiful gift and the luck, uthathe wena inhlanhla zomunye umuntu uzisebenzise uzenze ezakho, loyo muntu aze ahambe emhlabeni, ubulele everyone in the family. You've killed the whole bloodline, and it's gonna take a very long time to heal. Omunye lo moya lona womuntu wena ombulele uzovuka kube sengathi isithunywa, kube sengathi idlozi, bese uyahamba uyothwasa loyo muntu loyo, bese lento imthengisa amabhayi, ahamba ayothwasa, kanti uthwasa lo moya womuntu owabulawa umuntu wakini, bese lento iyaqina ke in the family. Mayike yaqina in the family, uthwasile unjalo, awuphili, awuphilisi. Amen. Akekho zayo esigodlweni sakho, uyagula, uphethwe inyawo, umzimba ubuhlungu, anxiety attacks and depression, kodwa uyathwasisa, uthwasisa ngalo moya owabulawa ngabantu bakini, behluleka ukuthi bawulungise. Wahlupheka umama wakho, wahlupheka usisi wakho, wahlupheka umkhulu wakho, waze wahamba emhlabeni ehanjiswa ukuthi inhlanhla zakhe zathathwa ngomunye umuntu yena wahlupheka. Yila esijaja khona ke, yila elingena khona ke kuma serious matters. It's not everybody onalo ngithemina bathi ngamajaji i-witchcraft, kodwa la ngimtshela ngelami, right? Bulala abanye kuyingozi guys, ngisho noma sekuthiwa yiphara lishiye phansi, whether ukhona umuntu okubonile umbulala loyo muntu loyo, whether khona umuntu awubonwanga umuntu, okusalayo lelo gazi lelo lisazokulandela, bathole mina, then I'm going to judge you. Kuzoshuba liyasitshela ke leli jazi yonke into eyenzeka ezweni umhlaba wonke, especially the state conspiracies that I won't mention on social media. I only mention them kubantu ayingibaziyo. Lisitshela yonke into eyenzeka ezweni. I don't mention everything on social media. I've got my limits. I know what to share and what not to share. That is why ngintshele ukuthi wena othi ngiyifake, wena oza epagini lami uzokhuluma into oyifunayo, halala, angikuthuseli. Ubobheka ukuthi kuye kwenzakaleni, especially uma ungibiza ngefake, angizibizanga ngabizwa. Mangabe uzongena epagini lami ungibize ngefake and spew hate ube ungangazi, khona kuzokwehlela. Kuyagitshelwa ke ezintabeni ngaleli jazi leli. Namanje into eyayisenzeka kudala isenzeka namanje. Into yonke eseBhayibhelini eyayisenzeka kudala namanje isenzeka. Okwakusenzeka emandulo ngesintu namanje kusenzeka. Kuyagitshelwa ke entabeni ukuhambe kuyoklinwa amathambo abantu ababulewe. abavala ukuthi izulu linganethi. You can be an earth reader, you can use science, you can do anything, but if kusekhona izinto kumele ziklinwe emhlabeni angeke imvula inethe noma ungenzani, never. Whatever science you apply, whatever ulwazi lwakho lwe-science noma lungaba ngakanani, angeke. Leli ke ijazi liklina yonke into esemhlabeni, bese emva kwalokho imvula yakhona, izulu lakhona lizona ngolaka. Kwake kwaba nezikhukhula, ngatshela ukuthi kuzoba nezikhukhula. Ngesinye isikhathi kuke kushise kakhulu, more than ever before. Izulu lizoza ngolaka mase siklinile thina esiphiwe amandla okukwenza lokho. Linelani ngolaka ngoba phela lizoklina, lizoqedelela ukuklina amagazi abantu lachithekayo bebe bengadliwa. Liyakhuluma, liyasiphendula. Singabaphathi bamanzi ngoba sinisa imvula. Imvula ezogcwalisa impophoma, imvula ezogcwalisa lumfula ogeza kuwo. Thina ke siyakwazi ukunikeza amanzi. Libona yonke into phecelezi ubunusi. Lihamba nobunusi, izanusi zezulu, izazi zasempumalanga, biblical connotations. So, ngithe mina ngizonichazela ngejazi elimnyama ukuthi ngelani uze ungawothi umlilo wamalangabi. Awavuthe amalangabi, and asazovutha, and angeke acime. Likalithathe lamihlolo ngoba ngiyisikhuni esishisa emanzini. Amanzi kimi yipetrol. Awavuthe, akwande kukhanye kube kuhle kube mhlophe. Ungayithwasi into ongayazi. Ungaphuphi ibhayi ungalazi ukuthi elikabani. Kusengenzeka ukuthi elani elomuntu watshontshelwa inhlanhla zakhe ngabantu bakini, elomuntu wabulawa ngabantu bakini. Gide uze ucula ukuthi hey idlozi lami linolaka, idlozi lami liza ngolaka. Akulone lakho. Umuntu wabulawa ngabantu bakini. Osebuya manje angene komunye umuntu athwaswe azoreveja everything ekhaya. Be careful of who you twasa and what you twasa. Be careful of the spirits that you allow in your system. Be careful of the spirits that you allow in your bloodline. Ngoba uzolokhu uvuselela lento libe luyivuselela nthwasile kodwa akekho umuntu omphilisayo. Akho testimony, nthwasile kodwa izinto ziyabheda emndenini. Then check kwenzakalani. Thina abanye mina mangikuhlolela ngithatha from 1700 ngikutshela ukuthi kwenzeka u1 no 2 no 3. Angihloli mina ngezizwe ukuthi ngizokutshela into eyenzeka izolo ngikutshela ukuthi udleni ugqoka iphente elinjani. Ayisebenzi leyo nto leyo. Akukhona ukuhlola lokho. Ukuhlola ikuthatha umkhokha ukuthi kahle umkhokha waqala kanjani kuleli khaya. Uqale kanjani umkhokha? Hemkhulu siyaphahla kwenzeki lutho. Hemkhulu siya emanzini siphupha amanzi akwenzeki lutho. Kusengenzeka ukuthi uphupha amanzi uyolanda umuntu owalinyazwa abantu bakini. Be careful. This is just to spread awareness. Khona omunye ke wathi hemkhulu yazi advertise ngathi hey I have no reason to do that. This is the awareness because into zomoya ziyahlupha. Into zomoya zibulala izwe. Not only you but the whole country or the whole world. Into zomoya. It does not matter it doesn't matter if you are black, you are white. It works everywhere. It works with spirit. A person is a spiritual being. Even a white person has got a spiritual being. Is a spiritual being. Even umuntu omhlophe has got a duty ukulungisa the spiritual connotations. Omunye uke wabuza ukuthi why abelungu bengahlupheki? Abahlupheki because abanamona. They support each other. They are there for each other. mabekhetha ukuthi bayakudivorce, whether ungumama abo whether ngusisi wabo, they divorce you for life. Abathakathani abavusa abantu abafile. Amen. Awavuthe uzungawothi akwande awavutha amalangabi. Amen.